Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here. I had a special request for a ring that says TXT, which is a Korean pop band. So I'll take about a 10 to 12 inch piece of 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass wire. I'm going to start in the middle and just bend it up on an angle. We're going to start with the X, and then from there I'm going to take this one and bend it to the front, and then I'll go to this side, and at the top of the X I'm going to bend this one also to the front. There's our X, and then we're going to take this at the bottom and bend it across, and we'll bend it across here, and then we'll bend this up for the T, and the same on the other side, straight up, and then bring this one over at the height of the X and back to the front. So that's one side, and then here straight over, flip it, and bend this to the front. Squish it in. So these are going to form the top of the T. Flip it over and bend that to the back. And then underneath that vertical bar, push it straight down. So take this one too, bend it to the back, squish it, and then hold this and bend that straight down behind the vertical line. So we have the TXT. Now to form the ring, we're just going to push these out to the side, that one there, and that one there. You can get a highlighter or any round form, hold it on there, bring that to the back. Same on this side. If it's easier, flip it and bring that around to the back. So that's formed the ring. This is going to be a bigger ring because I made the letters quite big. I want to bring these right in. Get your flat pliers and put them in the center back. So wherever the X is, your flat pliers will be here. And then just hold this with your finger, take this up and around. I cut my wires a little too long, but I always rather cut them too big than too small. So I'm going to twist that around a couple of times, wiggle it to tighten it up, flip it over, hold it here. This will be somewhat adjustable, so bring it up and around, and a couple of times to make it more secure. Bring that in. This one too, if you have to tighten it up, you can loosen it and tighten it. Clip the end flush, and this side too. And then we want to just push these ends in a little bit so they're not sharp. This one too, just push it in so it's flush against that one. You'll see you can adjust it a little bit if you need. If you want to make sure it's curved, just put it back on the round form. And there's your super fun TXT thumb ring.